3 Golden Rules to Conquer a Man. It is natural that, at some point in your life, you have asked yourself what is the secret to seducing a man and leaving him insane with love for you, and, perhaps, many loose answers came to your head but without further arguments. Do not worry, today you will see the 3 golden rules to conquer a man, so keep watching and fall in love, once and for all, with that special boy. Rule 1. Never give an ultimatum. Imagine that you are dating a man for more than a month, and suddenly he tells you that he does not want commitments. It may be justified in the fact that he does not feel ready to start a relationship or that he is confused. Many women, in the situation described above, would resort to an ultimatum. In other words, they would announce to the man that if he does not commit to them, the relationship comes to an end. This is the worst you could do. If you push him to decide between all or nothing, what you will achieve is that he associates the commitment with you with pain and stress. Then, he will begin to idealize all the freedom he would lose if he decides to be your partner and will go away without thinking twice. Rule 2. Do not give him all the benefits of a relationship before he compromises. The worst mistake you can make is to give yourself completely to a man who shows no sign of wanting to commit himself, seriously, to you. Remember that he must earn a place in your life. If you are always available, write to him or call him all day, suspend your plans for his benefit, take care of him whenever he is ill, have sex with him whenever he wants, etc., etc. He will think that it is not necessary to start a relationship if he can enjoy all those benefits without any commitment in between. Make him value you and treat you as you deserve. Do not give him wrong signals or make yourself seem like an easy girl. It's time for him to fight for you if he really loves you. Rule 3. Make him associate commitment with pleasure. Another common mistake women make is to respond coldly to their refusal to compromise. Do not show yourself indifferent and disinterested, just make sure that the time you spend together is a rewarding and unique experience for him so that he wants to spend more time with you, intensify his feelings and change his mind. Show him that the more he commits to you, the more fun, exciting and sexy the relationship between you will be. Make him think, in a subtle and intelligent way, about all the fantastic things that are being lost because he is not, officially, your partner. You know, if you follow these rules carefully, you will walk in direct direction to his heart and you will conquer that man that you like and desire so much. Source: https://academyiadelamar.com. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. To learn more about 3 golden rules to conquer a man, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the link in the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.